In this video, I'll show you how to apply the bokeh effect to your videos in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To add the bokeh effect, head to the Effects tab and search for Super Large. Find the Super Large Spot effect. Click on the effect to preview it on your video. Then click the plus icon in the bottom right corner or drag and drop it directly onto the timeline to apply it. Adjust the edges of the effect to match the duration of your video or a specific scene. Now, let's fine-tune the effect. Tap on the effect layer in the timeline to adjust its settings on the right side. Use the filter slider for the field of bokeh spots, the strength slider for intensity, the amount slider for visibility, the size slider for the size of the bokeh circles, and the speed slider for movement dynamics. Make adjustments as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.